Everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Alicia if you're new to my channel. If you're not new to my channel, thank you for coming back. So today I am working with Nadula hair. They sent me this beautiful U-part wig. I have no leave out, y'all. I have no leave out. This is my real part, my real scalp. This wig was so easy to install. The install time is crazy quick. Like, it didn't take no time at all. Like, I already have my hair in a ponytail, baby hairs already laid, and then you just put this right on top of it. It's so easy. I didn't put no water or conditioner or anything into the hair, so when I tell you quick, baby, she was quick. She was real quick. So if you guys want to see me unbox this, oh, and on top of that, all the things that you get with your wig, they're not stingy with the goodies. They are not stingy with the goodies. I am not playing. Wait till you guys see how much stuff came with this. And they even surprised me with something that I ain't even never got from a hair company before. So make sure you guys keep on watching. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram. And let's go ahead and get started. All right, you guys, we're back with another hair review. Today we are working with Nadula hair. This is my first time working with them, but I've purchased a wig from them. Like back when I used to buy hair, I did purchase a wig from them, and I think I still have it. I'm pretty sure I do, and I freaking loved it. But the one I have is like a straight or body wave. I believe this one is a curly wig. So let's get into this. First of all, they will send you a cute little baggie to store your wig. You also get a robe. Hello. I ain't never got one of these. She ain't never did that for me. This is so cute. Definitely will wear this. Then let's open up this box and see what's inside here. Okay, as soon as you open it, it looks like this. And this little adjustable band fell out. 2 packs of wig caps. Elastic band, definitely will be using this today. We're gonna put this over to this side. Another elastic band. This is super cute. Extra voluminous lashes. A makeup brush. Let's see, little makeup brush. A bonnet. So the wig will come like this in this plastic. All right, so we're gonna have to check the description box for the details on this one, but do we see this curl pattern? She's giving extra curly. Extra curly. It's a U-part wig, but I'm not gonna leave any of my hair out today, so I'm gonna try to do, you know, the whole partless method. I guess I'll have to like actually do a part in my hair. Anyway, it comes with 2 combs right here, so it should be real secure right there. Then we have 3 combs, and then another clip in the middle right here. Elastic band. You also get your adjustable straps as well, and then another comb down here. So yes, so this hair, what is this, like jerry curl? What is this? I'm not sure, but it's super curly. She's real pretty. Here's a close-up on the ends. I'm not sure this hair texture, but I know it's Brazilian. Make sure you guys check out the description box for all the details. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. She feels really, really good too. Really, really good. Okay, so what I'm going to do off camera is I'm going to make a part down the middle here, and then we're gonna install this with no leave out, okay? No leave out. I'll be right back. Wish me luck. Okay, I'm gonna make it do what it do. I'm gonna try to make it do what it do. I'm all done. Let me tell you one thing. This baby was easy to install. Okay, when I say quick, I mean quick. I mean, I had to make this little simple part and then just clip. I mean, I didn't even put no water in here or nothing. She was so easy. Easy. When I say low maintenance, this was easy. And then I think I'll be seeing them go like this and like tease the roots a little bit. It's definitely giving. And this kinky curly hair, y'all, I don't even know what to do with it. I'm gonna just let her be her. I'm gonna let her be her. But yes, baby. And the more I comb it out, the bigger it gets. Let me stop. Let me show you guys the back real quick. Let me tell you one thing about this hair. You ain't missing out on no hair, okay? You are not missing out on no hair. Hold on, let me just I'm gonna put a little bit in front and put the rest in the back. There we go. The rest in the back like that. Lord Jesus, she full. She is very cute though. I ain't gonna lie. I was not expecting this unit to be so easy to deal with. And the roots do look pretty good. I mean, it is a little ruffled right here. I'm sure you could. There we go. That look a little bit better. She looks good. And you don't have to worry about none of your hair. And you have your real scalp. Listen, we're cooling off. We're cooling off. All right, so make sure you guys check out this unit. The description box will have all the information you need on this unit. She is very easy. She is a vpart wig. The parting is supposed to be seamless. Like it looks pretty good. I ain't gonna lie. It looks pretty good. And as I said before, you ain't missing out on no hair because there's a whole bunch of hair in here. There's a whole bunch of hair in here. And especially if you like the kinky curly hair, baby. Brute. Look at her. Look at her. She is cute. Cute. Let me stop touching her though, because the more you touch this, the bigger it gets. And that's just the facts of it all. That's just the facts of it all. But she is so beautiful. So make sure you guys check out the description box for all the information on this wig. Very, very easy. Very beginner friendly. It is very, very beginner friendly for anybody that is not used to installing wigs. I'm telling you, you can't go wrong with this. You can't go wrong with this. So yes, check out the description box for all the information and the direct link to this. Thank you again to Nadula Hair for sending me this beautiful wig. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.